Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're in a 2025 Chevy Silverado and we have installed a M&R ditch light kit, the Pro Series. I want to show you guys exactly how much light you get. These are the factory lows, these are the factory high beams, and this is the ditch light kit. Ditch lights have a benefit, the fact that you can aim them. So you can aim your ditch lights either high or low into the ditches. You can either aim them forward or you can aim them to the sides. So they complement a light bar setup very well. I'm gonna give you guys a great example. So these are the factory high beams, and without the light bar, this is the ditch light kit. Light bar, ditch light kit. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please check out our step-by-step installation instructions so that way you can get the confidence that you need to install this product yourself.